my favorite is the next video that Sean sends, which is at, on the 22nd of April. Keep playing. I've got to find mine. So we can see...
We definitely see why it's your favorite, Mr.
The picture that you are presenting, or that it looks like, is that Mr. Msibi with others, UJothan Msibi with others, it appears they were involved in the production, unlawful production of dagga. I've been told it's not called dagga. Whenever I've used that word, I've been told it's weed. That they were involved in the production of this unlawfully. That's a picture.
The one cause for concern here is the document at page 268. And that is the license given to Jack Frost, and it's issued originally on 19th September 2022. So everything that we've looked at thus far is before this license was in effect. Now, it is possible that there was some other permit in place. We don't see it, and we are investigating whether that was the case. But what it seems like is that what we are looking at is production that took place before a license was issued, or certainly before this license was issued. We will be making inquiries to establish what the true state of affairs was. If it wasn't permitted, then this would be illegal cultivation of dagga, which would be a crime under the drugs, I forget what the Drugs Act is now called. I have looked at the legislation, and it seems quite clear to me that one needs, this license purports to have been granted under, or not purports, has on its face been granted under section 22(1)(c) of the 22(c)(1) of the Medicines and Related Substances Act. Now, there is a provision under section 19A that I don't think applies to manufacturers, and I think scale of this size is manufacturing scale, where you can get a permit which is not issued by the South African Health Products Regulatory Authority, but is issued by an official of the Department of Health. I think it's the Director General, which may conceivably authorize the growing of dagga. I mean, we need to clarify with Jack Frost whether they assert any legitimate rights before we say that this was unlawful production. But prima facie, this license certainly didn't authorize it.
Mr. Skelson, certainly not in respect of Mr. Ali and his crew, but other people who are mentioned in the chats, the same way we did with Mr. Ngumalo. Maybe, and I don't want to put you on the spot, and force you to give an answer now, but consideration be given to them to explain what we see in the chats, either in the form of an affidavit or a short statement, just so that we don't just have your interpretation of the chats, but we have their version of what the chats are about, and we get the full picture.
We will do that.
So we've come to the end of
We have, Chair.
what we have today. Thank you, Mr. Shaskalson. Let's adjourn and resume at 9:30 tomorrow morning. Let's adjourn.